C-130 carrying a high-explosive BLU-82B bomb has crashed into the Delmar Loop. As a result of this incident, the Missouri National Guard, Department of Homeland Security, Missouri State Police, and various other civil authorities are shutting down roads within a 1-mile radius of the crash. In action at 11 a.m. Central Standard Time as a precaution, the aforementioned civil authorities will direct traffic away from the area. No traffic is allowed on Delmar Boulevard and surrounding areas. Civil authorities are shutting down Delmar Boulevard and surrounding areas. Street motorists are advised to evacuate the area. All residents of University and surrounding areas are advised to evacuate the area. If you are in a further away area in St. Louis County, shelter in place until further notice.
Whiskey Bravo on set vector to intercept